If you don't want to uplevel your mood and confidence, don't even watch this video. Bye! But if you do and you're still watching, here are 3 fun and out-of-the-box ways to build confidence. 1. Strike a pose. Research and Grey's Anatomy, for the connoisseurs, show that standing in a power pose such as Superman or Wonder Woman for a few minutes can increase your confidence levels. So strike a pose, feel like a superhero. And if someone catches you in the act, just tell them you're practicing to save the world. 2. Sing in the shower. It can be a great confidence booster. Not only does it release endorphins and reduce the stress, but it also helps you to feel good about your voice and express yourself freely. Who cares if the only audience you have are the shampoo bottles and your rubber duckies? 3. Try a new skill. It can be a great confidence builder. Whether it's cooking, painting, or dancing, trying something new and challenging yourself can help you to see what you're capable of and feel proud of your accomplishments. Plus, it's fun to learn something new. And if you end up burning the food, making a mess of the canvas, or tripping over your own feet, just laugh it off and remember that mistakes are all part of a learning process. So which one are you gonna try? Go, 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 go. Go and boost your confidence and come back and tell me all about it.